Hey, it's Joy. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing a project using a couple of the days worth of items from the Spellbinders Crafty Advent Calendar. Unfortunately, it is unavailable at this time, but this is just for inspiration. For day 9, we got these really cool watermelon colored confetti sequins. And then we're going to move on to day 10. And for day 10, I can't remember what this is. It is a beautiful floral. Now, I'm not going to use this in my project, but it comes with 3 petals, some buds, and some foliage that comes with this, so it would make a perfect card for any of your, occasions. That's what I love about Spellbinders Crafty Advent Calendar. It is curated that you can use it all year round in case you don't have time to use it during the holiday season. And then we're going to move on to day 11, which happens to be my favorite. This is a really cool sentiment strip die that has 4 inserts, one saying a gift for you, I believe you did it, and 2 others that you can catch on screen. Finally, we're coming to what we're going to use today. This is going to be the focal point. This is a really fun strawberry kit, and this is perfect for spring and summer crafting. We're all going to get real tired of the cold and the snow, so this would kind of brighten your day. In fact, the color palette that I'm using is a nice cheerful one. I'm going to pair this with the 3D embossing folder from the December 2023 club. And I am using the bottom portion because you're going to get a really nice embossed heart in the center that you can use. Or if you use the top portion, it has an area that you can actually die cut. I am blending a yellow ink. I believe it's Memento Cantaloupe. And I'm using my rabbit hole blending brushes just so that I create a vignette or a border around this. I just like the depth and dimension that this adds to my panel. Of course, you could leave this out if you wanted to, or you could make it another color. If you are interested in any of the products that I'm using, I'll have that linked in the description box below. I believe that the Advent Calendar is already sold out everywhere. If I find it at a brick and mortar store, I will be sure to link it for you so that you can find it. Like I said, great crafting for all occasion crafting all year round. Here I have die cut the sentiment Just a Note, and that is nicely embossed. I'm applying the yellow panel to my card base. I did pop that up on foam adhesive, and now I'm just arranging my strawberries just in a trio. I popped some of them up with foam tape and others I glued straight down to my panel. Again, this is all about preference. I like the texture and the feel of popped up elements, so that's what I chose to do. And while I finish gluing on these flowers, I just wanted to mention that the club kits are available until I believe the 26th, and then they close down because they're getting ready for the next one. If you do subscribe to a club kit, you've got until the 5th of the month to unsubscribe if there's something that you don't like. So this is just a really great way to beef up your stash for a really cheap way. I know that the dollar doesn't stretch as far as it normally does these days, so I just kind of add that in there that you're getting a huge bang for your buck with these Spellbinders club kits. I am going to finish this up. I'm putting in some of the smaller leaves, and I'm adding just a little bit of dimension by popping up the centers. I am using a white on white tone for the flowers. That's just me. You can put red in there, you can put yellow, anything that you wanted. This just kind of spoke to me. And here I am popping up the Just a Note towards the bottom of the heart and underneath the flowers. That's my design element that I love. And now I'm coming in with those watermelon colored, I'm not sure if that's the actual color, confetti. And I'm just sprinkling that around with a jewel picker. And I'm just doing that so that it kind of keeps the eye moving. I try to go around the sentiment and then kind of in a trio around the strawberries. Again, this is all about preference. In the end, you'll see that I moved that bottom right sequin over to the left just because I didn't like the way it was laying in my card composition. I would really love it if you stuck it out with me this long, that you would consider liking, subscribing, leaving me a comment. I just love hanging out with you guys, and would like to build my community a little bit. So I'm showing you this shimmer and shine, and that wasn't enough for me. So now I'm bringing in some diamond stickles. I'm putting that in the center of the flowers, and I'm also putting it where the seeds of the strawberry would be, because I think the shimmer and shine is always the way to go. Here are some final looks at my card. I really do appreciate you hanging out with me today, and until next time, keep crafting. Bye bye, friends.